Ugh, where am I? Hello, what is this place? Bro, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. I'm the pink guy.
Oh, okay, you're behind me. Do you know this place?
Yes.
Then what is this place?
Your mom.
Okay, bro, that was rude. Oh no, it begins now. Let's go.
You have to find the keys.
Okay. Hurry. I have key too. Run.
Dude, I cannot find my key.
Oh no, I have a mask on. It looks dangerous. I'm stuck. My hands are stuck.
Bro, where is my key?
Hurry, bro, time is running out. I'm locked in a room. I'm so scared. Did you find your key?
Not yet.
Oh no, time is running out.
I found it, let's go.
3 seconds.
Oh, hi, bro.
Oh hey. Do you know this game?
Yes, you have to press on some red dots and take the key and get out.
Okay, thanks. But I'm still scared. The game begins now, I think. That key, I have to get it, but I am stuck. Oh no.
I hope the game begins now so it's over.
Me too. Oh no, Get it off. It's crushing my face. Get this ass hash hash just
Oh no, the time is running out, bro.
I know.
My finger is hurting.
Me too, ouch. It won't come off. There.
Get the key and take it off.
I did.
Come, let's get out of this place.
Oh no, what is this now? A shotgun is pointing in my face. That can only not be good.
It looks scary.
Same.
When is the game beginning?
Not now, I think.
Oh my god, can you stop talking and get the game to begin?
But Brovy, I don't even know what the game I about.
I know you have to press the correct button in time, not so hard.
Oh okay.
Man, when is this game beginning? Let's see what he says then I can wait. Oh my god, can you stop talking? Man, he is talking really much, that guy with the red sickles.
Same. Oh no, it begins.
Oh no, who's gonna get shot?
Hope not me.
I think no one got shot.
Oh no, another game. Why do I have a dummy in front of me, and why is there a key?
Oh no, I saw down there.
Oh no. This can only not be good.
I wonder what the game is about.
I know you have to find the key down there. And it have to be in the right color.
Oh, okay, thanks. I hope no talking in the game just begins.
Who's the under guy?
Oh, hello, I don't talk so much.
Okay.
This place looks scary.
Same. Man, when is this game going to begin?
IDK.
Oh, the game begins now.
Run.
I hope I don't run into the saw.
Take the key.
I did. In there now.
Then take the key in your dummy.
I still have money key. I have a noter key.
Wait for me.
My feet is hurting.
Yes, a noter key. Go, go, go. Yes, bro, where are you?
I'm behind you.
Oh. Come on, key, please work. Yes, there I go. Bro, you're right in front of me.
Yes, I'm fast.
Come on. I don't have so many keys in, but I think it's okay. Oh no, never mind the time.
Go, go, go.
My last key. Come on, run.
Yes, think I did it.
Oh my god, yes, oh, did it too.
Oh no, guys, I don't think I'm going to make it. Come on.
You're so close. Come on, dude.
Oh no.
No,
Sick, come on,
dude.
5. 5 for 3, 2, 1, 0. Ouch.